There's a breaking news coming in. A delegation led by Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar has submitted a proposal to Chief Minister Siddaramaiah to rename Ramanagara as Bangalore South District. Tuesday, they submitted a proposal renaming Karnataka's Ramanagara district to Bangalore South District. The people, they reached there and it was told that it is the aspiration of people and a plan that the global reputation, sovereignty and glory of Bangalore should benefit Ramanagara. The idea of renaming the district was initially floated by Shivkumar in October 2023. However, it faced a lot of problems from the opposition actually.
ನಾವು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರಿತ್ತು ಆ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾಯಕರುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
several leaders of the area to the chief minister.
ರಾಮನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಾರ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಳೆದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಮಾಗಡಿಗೆ, ಚನ್ನಪಟ್ಟಣಕ್ಕೆ, ರಾಮನಗರಕ್ಕೆ, ಕನಕಪುರಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ
ಚನ್ನಪಟ್ಟಣ, ರಾಮನಗರ, ಕನಕಪುರ
ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ, ಅವರ ಆಸ್ತಿ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ತಮಿಳುನಾಡು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಈ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು ತುಮಕೂರು ರೋಡ್ ಒಂದೇ, ತುಮಕೂರು ರೋಡು, ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ ರೋಡ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಏನಿತ್ತು ಆ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು
ಸರ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳು ನೀವು ಹೊಸ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆಗೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಯಾವ
ಹೊಸ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಹೊಸ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇರೋ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಹೊಸ.
Our colleague Deepak is joining us on the broadcast. Deepak, give us a sense of what is the real purpose of getting the name changed, because the opposition is still raising questions.
Well, the Deputy Chief Minister says that it will benefit, the people living in these areas. Now, these are areas in the border or immediate border to the main city of Bengaluru or the outskirts of Bengaluru now. Now, including this, making it at Bengaluru South, how do they really plan to really navigate through a host of problems? Because right now, currently itself, when you have Bengaluru as a city that's taken up and the administration by the municipality, it's very huge compared to a few years ago. They do, of course, want to increase the number of wards, which was earlier, 198 to much more now. And now to have areas like Kanakpura, Magadi or even Channapatna as a part of Bengaluru, of course, is a humongous task. But the bigger political question that's coming up here by the BJP and by the JDS is that whether, the Congress is looking at political dividends, especially from this particular, some of these areas which are also considered the bastion of the JDS. And more importantly, is it to woo the Vokaligas? Because while you include and make this a part of Bengaluru, what it essentially does is it also increases real estate prices and various other aspects come into the picture. Some of them are also alleging that D.K. Shivkumar, in cahoots with certain builders, is trying to, of course, do this for their own benefit. But as far as Mr. D.K. Shivkumar, what he said and some of the memorandum that has been submitted to the Chief Minister yesterday by a group of people, they all believe that it is a holistic approach. It will improve, the quality of life of the people there, bring in more development to the region, and overall, of course, it will benefit a large number of people living in these areas.
All right. Thank you for joining us, Deepak. As Deepak was pointing out, that the purpose of getting the name changed is to help people get a better life there. The Deputy CM proposes change of the name. The delegation reached there and they submitted the request. Our colleague Amita is joining us with more information. Amita.
Right, Barkha, we are looking at as far as what Nikhil Kumaraswamy has to say. I'm just going to quickly translate from that post that he's made on the social media account, where he says, and I quote, that I don't know what is the hidden agenda in removing the legendary Ramnagara name and making it Bengaluru Dakshin, but only the secret that the gate pass is being given to the name of Ramnagara to woo someone. The dark side of this conspiracy is to make the district a haven for real estate tycoons. The appeasement of some is another facet, and there has been an attempt to destroy the landmark of Ramnagara district, which is in high position politically. And even when it comes to Shri Hanumantaya, the architect of Vidhan Soda, Shri H.D. Deve Gowda, who was the then Prime Minister of the country, Shri H.D. Kumaraswamy, who was the Chief Minister of the state twice, had increased the fame of Ramnagara district, and those who are going to change the name of the district should know its history first. So this is the translation, Barkha, that we are looking at as far as the posts that have been put up by Nikhil Kumaraswamy.
Yeah, thank you so much, Amita.